myself Shubhashri Dayan, my friends Pavani, Niharika, Kritika and Ashwiya. We are studying in 7th standard. Our topic name is drip irrigation. Now we are going to explain about drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a micro-irrigation technology of a plant. There are two types of drip irrigation. Dr. Baharlal Nehru is the first irrigation in India. An irrigation system is a method or system structure designed to supply water to the agriculture fields, gardens or landscapes to ensure the proper hydration of plants and crops. Irrigation systems can be simple, such as hoses and sprinklers, or more complex, involving the connections of pipes, pumps and automated controls. It is used to supplement natural rainfall in the regions with irregular or insufficient precipitation. The goal is to provide the right amount of water at the right time to optimize plant growth. Irrigation system include drip irrigation and sprinkler system.
The land between plant roots remains dry and unwanted plant growth is prevented. The surface of the soil is dry, which enables processing, medication, harvest and transfer the nutrient more easily with manual effort. The output of each nozzle can be controlled